Hi everyone! Yesterday I made Dalgona coffee video and today I'm gonna try to make Dalgona Thai tea. And I'm using this Thai tea that I got a while back. It's fresh Thai tea, but you have to put hot water on it. There is a lot of instant Thai tea and you can also make this with instant Thai tea, but I only have this. And it's a little coarse, so I'm going to put it in my coffee grinder to make it more fine. See how big the tea leaves are? I have to make them more fine so that my Thai tea will be extra concentrated. This is much better. To make this Thai tea really concentrated, I used enough to make 2 cups but only half a cup of water.
Nope.
It's good. It's good. Mom, can I have some of this? Yeah.